I wanted to show you something I'm doing.
What you show me?
Look at this. I think these are so cool. They're pillowcases, but they're
Oh yeah, that's
dragon.
awesome. You did that?
Yeah.
How much you gonna sell it for?
I'm giving them as gifts.
That looks nice.
Isn't it fun with the dragons?
You gonna give it as gifts?
Yeah.
You gonna give me one or what?
Do what? Give you one?
Mm-hmm.
No, I can't give you. You know what?
What do you mean you can't give it to me?
I could give you one later.
Let me see. Can I see it?
Yeah, my niece.
This your pillowcase you make?
My niece likes dragons, and
This shit
so
looks like dress.
I try to make her something fun for dragons.
I like the dragon.
My niece is 25, and she loves dragons, and so I thought I'd make her something for dragons, and a pillowcase seemed fun.
I thought you were gonna give it to me when you showed it to me, but
Oh,
It's okay.
now get your hopes up. Oh, I'm sorry.
oh no, I don't get my hopes up. No, I want to buy it because you look like you need help.
Poor money, please.
No, not. You know what I mean is, everybody need a little helping hand. And the way you look, girl, you look like you need a lot of helping hand.
I like strong coffee, but I'm having really bad
You want it?
reflux.
You want
I'll
it?
do it. Yes.
Let's go
yeah.
with me. Make it
go
real
get it.
quick.
Let's go get it.
Hold on. Here, let's go.
In fact, why don't you let me?
No, I pay.
No.
I pay, girl. You look like you need help. I'm telling you.
Oh God.
You're making all this pillow damn cases and everything.
I was up till 2 making.
I'll get you. To the bathroom and then drink it, so we don't have to move too much.
Right. I'm all right. Did you think I fell in?
No, I just knew something was chasing your ass, and you just had to let it go. You were probably thinking like, let it go, let it go. Try
Too much detail.
Vietnamese coffee.
Yes. Okay. So,
Here.
what's the best way to do that? Just to poke it in
Yeah,
there?
yeah. Here, want me to poke it for you?
Yeah. Poke it for me.
All right, try it. Let me know what you think.
Okay. Now, the first thing I got to do though
What?
is I got to take a lactate.
Huh?
You know what a lactate is?
Is that thing that prevent you from
Because I-
shitting or
No.
make you want to shit?
No, I don't digest lactulose. Lactulose.
Yeah.
'Cause I had
Do
my
what you
stomach-
gotta do, girl.
Had
Cause
my stomach removed
yeah.
in an effort to lose weight.
Okay.
It didn't work.
Yeah. Okay. Do what you gotta do, cause we
So
don't
here
want
it is. I take my little.
nobody be sharding up
enzyme.
in the mix in the middle of no service.
That's right. Take my little enzyme.
Okay. Go on. You got the pills down. Okay.
Now.
And that's
I
gonna
can
prevent you
try.
from sharding or what?
Yeah, because it'll digest the milk, the lactate in the milk,
Damn.
and now I'll have no problems.
That's tough. All right. So let me know how that coffee tastes like. Boy. Come on, be honest. Like that hit the spot.
Yeah, that's really good. Sweet. Very sweet.
You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, I knew it. All right, girl. Enjoy the coffee.
Okay, what jewels do I need to remove?
You don't need to remove any juice. Just make
Okay.
sure you don't shard it. Because, you got me nervous now.
Not going to. I took my pill. Leave me alone.
It's just, girl.